Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can start your free trial on GoHighLevel. So it's an incredible platform. If we go to GoHighLevel.com, so this is actually a CRM system. So has a built-in customer relationship management system that can help you track leads, manage clients, and you can view the entire sales pipeline in one place. This is also has a funnel builder, so you can easily create high converting landing pages, and you can also complete sales funnels like without needing any complicated skills of coding. And automation workflows also, like this feature, allow you to automate your follow-ups, emails, text messages, and even task reminders. So this is also an incredible, and you can save a lot of your time. GoHighLevel also lets you run both like text and email campaigns, so you can reach your customers effectively and directly. You can see as here, like you can elevate your marketing and sales with high levels all in one platform. As I told you, you can also see here a lot of things, capture, nurture, close, and you can capture new leads. As I told you about leads, you can also schedule appointments. Like it also includes a powerful calendar tool that can integrate with your website, letting customers book appointments automatically, and conversations inbox all your messages. And you can also manage reviews. You can collect and manage reviews from your customers, so you can boost your business credibility online. And membership site, so you can also you can create and sell online courses or training programs through its membership site features. And you can also post and schedule your content to multiple social media platforms directly from the dashboard. So you can see, like you can create multi-channel campaigns. As I explained these things, you can do a lot of things. Integrations also, you can integrate with popular tools like Stripe for payments and more, and hundreds of more apps together. So if we open GoHighLevel.com, so you can see here you can start with a 14-day free trial. But if I type here GoHighLevel only, and here you can see, if I go to this free 30-day trial. So here you can see this is if you type here, so they have one link here, free 30-day trial. So if you go to this link, now this is separate, and from here you will get 30 days trial. Here you are getting like 14-day trial, and here you are getting like 30-day free trial. So this is incredible. So you are getting more days in your trial, so you can check this platform, and you can explore all the features, all the things that I explained to you in this video. And this is the start of this playlist actually, and I'm gonna upload videos about GoHighLevel one by one, and we will see all the things from scratch to the advanced level. So this is the basic thing, like how you can start your free trial as I explained you. So you can click on 30-day free trial. And here you can type your company name, like I will type Irza Fatima IT Solutions, and full name like Omar Butt. Email address is this, and phone number is this. So once you have done this, you can go to step number 2. So you can start your 30-day free trial, and you can get an onboarding call. So here you can see, like there are 3 plans. High level starter plan, this is 30-day free trial, and after that you will have to pay like $97 per month. Then high level unlimited plan, and here you will have to pay $297. And then we have high level SaaS Pro plan. So here you can see like $497 per month. So I will definitely suggest you to go with this plan, Pro plan. So this is incredible because, you can explore all the things, all features, and, all, incredible things you can try here. So here we need to type the card number. So I will pause the video and will add, and then I will click here. So just wait, I will resume the video. Hey friends, so you can see incredible. So I just typed my debit card number and then I clicked on that, large red button, like it was saying like start your 30 days trials. And now you can see on the next step, you will see thanks for opening a trial. So go to your onboarding call, click here to get started. I want to do self-service. So it's up to you. You can go with this, or you can also select this one. I want to do self-service. So if I click here on this green button, so you can see welcome Omar, let's secure your account so you can create a strong password to keep your account safe. So I will type here the password, for instance here. And continue. Now we need to verify the email. So I will again pause the video and will go to my email and will paste the code here. So you will also do the same step. So we have confirmed the email. Now on the next step, they will ask you to confirm your phone number. So I will now confirm the phone number and will again, resume the video. Now here you can type your billing address. So once you type the address on the next, step, you can see how do you plan to use high level. So you can select as a business owner to manage my business, as a marketing agency to provide services to clients. So it's up to you. You can select and then continue. Do you plan to resell high level? No, I don't want to resell. What industry are you in? It's up to you back. If you want to resell, you can select it. What industry are you in? Like, for instance, we are in, some automotive, beauty and fashion. So you can select according to your, and if I click on like other and next continue. So how many clients are you managing? For instance, like 10 to 49 or 4 to 9. It's up to you. Continue. What would you like to focus on first? So launch your website, engage this. You can select other. You will have to type here and launch your website. For instance, continue. What platforms are you using? You can skip this. Like if you are using WordPress, Wix, MailChimp, you can tell them in this survey. But if you want to skip this step, you can. Your account is ready. And you can earn also $15 by joining your free onboarding call. So if you drive great results from the start with the personalized onboarding call and get rewarded, so you will get $15 credited to your wallet when you attend. So it's up to you if you want, or just not now take me to my account. We have also received the activation email. So you can click here to log in. The activation link has expired. No worries, we can resend. So already said continue to log in. Actually, we have already the password. we have already set. So here you can see we have started the trial of GoHighLevel, and here you can see we have also received the email like new client has been added. So this is the first, Irza Fatma IT Solutions, and you can see we can switch here, like this is all accounts we can see, and agency dashboard. Here we can see a lot of things in the dashboard we can see, and definitely we will see all these things step by step in next videos, upcoming videos in this playlist. So this is an incredible thing we have done today about GoHighLevel, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the video. You can now start your free trial at GoHighLevel. So GoHighLevel is an incredible platform. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please share the video with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much once again.